To fix the CIBC app if it's not working, there are several potential solutions. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection, as the app requires this to function properly. Try switching from mobile data to Wi-Fi or vice versa to see if this resolves the issue. Next, check if the app is updated to the latest version by visiting the App Store, searching for CIBC, and selecting the mobile banking option. An outdated app can restrict certain features, causing it to malfunction. If the app is up to date, try clearing the app's data by going to Settings, then General iPhone Storage, and selecting the CIBC app. From there, tap the option to offload the app, and then reinstall it. This often resolves the issue. However, if the problem persists, you can try deleting the app entirely and then reinstalling it from the App Store. These steps should help resolve any issues with the CIBC app.